Welcome back students, this is your Jntuh. In today's video, I am going to let you know for the much awaiting topics and the concepts related to the course Data Communication and Computer Networks, Dccn for computer science engineering students under Jntuh R16 regulation. The first and the foremost gunshot question which I can give you, the one question which you are going to get cover from the 8th question is that the short note on the following SMTP, HTTP, FTL and its need, email as well as www and SNMP protocol may be one of the important question which is of 8A. Later, the gunshot question which can I give you from the unit is DNS diagram along with the real-time examples as well as what is the information would you use to examine the view of DNS as well as the properties of file transfer protocol. From these concepts you are going to get one question for sure dear students, that is for 15 mark. Later, I have taken into consideration unit 1 as the course is too lengthy in its structure. I have come up with only few important questions. The first and foremost gunshot question which I would like to know is OSI architecture along with its need diagram as well as the computer network and its classifications and the components is one of the gunshot question. Later, evaluate and explain about your understanding about networking as well as CSM by CD protocol compared with CSMA protocol, explain it. This may be also one of the direct question. Dear students, you cannot expect the direct 15 mark. It is a combination of 10, 5 or 7, 8 combination. Explain the different phases of virtual circuit network as well as FDMA, TDMA as well as CDDMA. Later, topologies used in network is also one of the gunshot question which is repeatedly asked, as well as the advantages and disadvantages of ring topology and multiplexing and its types, transmission media, its merits and demerits may be also one of the 7 mark question. ATM reference model and its functions is also one of the very important and gunshot question. Later, the characteristics of layered architecture may be also gunshot question. Dear students, from this part you are going to get 30 marks, 1 AB as well as 2 AB. From this part you will be getting 1 AB and from this part you may be getting 2 AB. Logical versus physical versus protocol address differences and the error correction versus error detection differences may be also one of the very important question. Dear student, if you work out this concept you are going to clear this subject with a good percentage and good marks. Later, I have taken into consideration unit 2. The first and the foremost gunshot question, the third question may be HDLC frame format as well as the difference between bit stuffing versus character stuffing. This is one of the gunshot question. Various error detection and the correction technique is also one of the very important and gunshot question where you are supposed to generate CRC code as well as explain about the CRC error. Later, what are the different methods of error detection, CSMA scheme with diagram, P versus HDSL and the flow control may be also the one question. From this part you will be getting 3A as well as 3B dear students, and the one of the gunshot question which can I give you is the fourth question. Use IEEE 802.3 and IEEE 802.11 to generalize the difference between the wired and wireless LANs is one of the gunshot question which you can expect this time, and the functions of hop by hop flow control as well as PCF and DCF in 802.11 format, discuss ALOHA and as well as CSMA. From this part you are going to get the fourth question, 4A as well as 4B. Dear students, till now I have covered a 30 mark of the second unit and the 30 mark from this first unit as well as the 8th question, the 5th unit. A total of 75 marks we've covered. From these concepts for sure you are going to get all these questions. Later, I have taken into consideration unit 3, whereas from this part also you are going to get 2 questions. As per the COVID pattern, you all are aware that 8 questions will be asked, of which you are supposed to answer any 5. Hope you are working very neatly, carrying your stationery to your examination. Class full addressing, discuss class A, B, class C, class D as well as class E is also one of the very important question, and the importance of class C. Multicasting routing algorithm and explain any one algorithm with an example is a gunshot question, and the mapping of address as well as tunneling as well as brooding versus flooding is also one of the very important and gunshot question which may be asked for 5 mark. ICMP versus IGMP differences and why subnetting is necessary, develop the concept with an example. Later, OSPF protocol by considering a suitable network is also one of the gunshot question. Dear students, from this concept you are going to get 2 questions. How would you summarize the services expected from the network layer as well as IPv4 header format? From this concept you will be getting 1 question, and from this concept you are going to get the another question, I mean 5 and 6, and the 7th question is very interesting, and from this part I have taken into consideration a few concepts, where from this concept you are getting at the 7th question, congestion control mechanism, explain it, as well as what is UDP and TCP, and explain the real-time transport protocol, as well as QoS in switched network is one of the gunshot question. Later, integrated versus differential services is also one of the very important question. Dear students, if you work out these concepts at least 1 to 3 unit, you are going to clear this subject for sure by following all these points which I have explained here. Hope you are writing very neatly, as well as you are supposed to write only in point wise, do not write in paragraph. I hope you are liking my videos. For more videos, do subscribe as well as share with your friends. Good luck and God bless you all for the exam. Thank you.